Hey, this is Jeff again with Evil Hall of Interest, ReiguideService.com, REIGUIDESERVICE.com. I want to make a real quick video and say it is not the 2008 market. They were giving out loans to anybody and everybody without any really proof, without really having any proof of being able to pay that loan back. That escalated because those loans were packaged and sent up the line and given to retirement groups, and it's a big nightmare, but that's not where we are now. Where we are now is we just have this increased value that isn't really based on anything. There were some factors that did increase that value, but then there was people that tried to take advantage of it and keep that rise going so they could increase their pocketbooks. And then other people jumped in because they saw that increase. And it's not much different than what you saw with like Bitcoin or some of these other types of things that go up and up and up and then crash. The thing about real estate is there is no bottom, there's no crash, there is no lack of value. At least in real estate, you always will have the base value. And if you didn't overinflate that, if you didn't lie to yourself, you'll be fine. Be blessed, bless others, ReiguideService.com. Later.
ReiguideService.com.